welcome back. Gonna be like Brad Pitt and Seven here. What's in the box? What's in the box? Well, we had another delivery this afternoon for our Showcase Bass version 1 bass guitar from Grover Musical, the world's finest machine heads. A nice little decal in the package there. And we have our tuners for the bass. Open these guys up. We'll take a quick look at them. And again, once we actually start building the bass and installing the tuners, then we'll get a better look and a review of these. These are the, let me double check here. Yep. These are the Titan 145 series. Since our bass will have a reverse headstock, these are the left-handed version of the Grover 145S tuning machines. And in the package here we have all of our screws, as well as the ferrule nuts and the washers. Screw right in on a standard 1/2 inch tuner hole. Perfect fit, just like we expected. These things are going to be great. And the finish matches up perfectly with our KSM foundation bridge. So anyway, just a quick look. We'll get more in depth as we install them. Look down below for a link to Grover's website, as well as Panick Inc Custom Shop website, our social media links, and the link to the Showcase Bass project. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on the Showcase Bass.